state is still a huge issue, not just in the health department, but in other departments as well. And this can be solved only by strengthening the education department. Therefore, the government of the day needs to invest not just on infrastructure, but also concentrate on training the existing teachers in the government schools, so as to be able to provide quality education to the students. Now, there were 2 BITE buildings which were already sanctioned and the construction was ongoing. One was in Betasing and one in Mokarwat. But the construction has been abandoned halfway. So, therefore, I would like to urge upon the government to examine this issue. And since these institutes would have been a huge contribution towards the training of teachers in the state, I would like to urge upon the government to immediately look into the matter. Now, a special attention needs to be given to higher secondary education, which is the stepping stone towards developing quality human resource. In this, I would like to request the government to introduce commerce for class 11 and 12 in Ampati Higher Secondary School. In tourism, I'd like to just raise one point, that there are a number of completed infrastructure, existing infrastructure, which look like they are abandoned buildings. They are not in use, sir. So therefore, I'd like to make this one submission, that this should be made use and made operational immediately. So the capital expenditure that the state is making in building all these infrastructure is being wasted by not making the existing buildings operational. Therefore, sir, with these few submissions, I would like to resume this.
Thank you. Now may I request Rupert Moman to take the floor. Please bear in mind that only 5 minutes is allotted to each member.
For allowing me to participate in the budget discussion presented by Sri C.K. Sangma, Honorable Chief Minister, on 21st February 2024. The budget is very, very comprehensive and very much ambitious, but a lot of challenges will be there. But through challenges, we can achieve a greater height. Budget is for the people, and especially for the young people. Through government machinery alone, we cannot achieve much. Straight to the point, sir, since the time is constrained. Regional connectivity and border trade. Sir, we are in the border of Assam, and North Garo Hills is the gateway of entire Garo Hills. I want to dwell on the interstate border. So we have a good connectivity with Assam, but we don't have a proper market. That is why our good products, our agricultural products, is directly going to our neighboring state. Sir, if we have a regulated market in our Garo Hills region, we can help our farmers in some extent, and their economic condition will be different, sir. Sir, in order to have a good market, regulated market, we should have storage system, banking facility, accommodation for traders, parking space, basic amenities, and last of all, security for the traders. The absence of this good market, we have a market, but just the weekly market only. After a day, nobody will be there, no traders will be there. So we have good agricultural products like betel nut, banana, rubber seed, broomstick, jackfruit, pineapple, ginger, black pepper, star fruit, tamarind, chili, sweet potato, tapioca, and prosperity. This agriculture product is simply stand and sit. Sir, rubber seed is one of the highest production in North Garo Hills, and I'm happy to say that our Deputy Speaker is one of the highest rubber seed producer in North Garo Hills, maybe in whole state of Meghalaya. He's a very active and he is multi-faceted personality. Sir, the betel nut is very huge production in North Garo Hills. Not only that, broomstick also one of the highest production in North Garo Hills. But all these productions prices is drastically gone down this year. But if we have regulated market, we can contain in some extent. So I request government of the day to have one regulated market in the border area, especially North Garo Hills district, sir. Floriculture in Sarangma area, we have a land, government land, and if this land is properly used, and if we start the intensive cultivation for floriculture, it will be contained. We can contain some youth, we can involve our youth in this floriculture cultivation, sir. Sir, livestock is very, very important, and it is coming a good result. I'm very happy that MDA government is introduced this livestock mission. But when we come to the question of domestic animal, then we don't have a good hospital, veterinary aid center. So I request the government of the day and the department concerned to establish veterinary aid center in each and every block or hospital to help the farmer in the time of need. Sir, infrastructure on sports. Yes, we have football ground in North Garo Hills.
Honourable members, you have completed 5 minutes. So
Sir, not completed. I heard the start my...
To take the floor.
Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir. Actually, I have so many departments to discuss in this general discussion, but I'll stick only one department that I feel is very important to discuss in this August House. So let me come straight to our social welfare department. Sir, there is an urgent need for the establishment of center for PWDs, person with disabilities, at district in our community. People with disabilities face unique challenges and require specialized service to ensure the inclusion and access to opportunities. Currently, sir, in Meghalaya, there are 4 district resource centers, that is Shillong, Jawai, Nongstoin, and Tura, have been set up to cater to the basic needs, which indicates that other districts of Meghalaya, there's a lack of comprehensive support services, leading to limited resources and accessibility for individuals with disabilities. By creating a district-level disability center, we can bridge this gap and provide the necessary support and resources for people with disabilities in our community. Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, improve access to services. Many individuals with disabilities face in accessing essential services such as healthcare, education, and employment. A district-level disability center will serve as one-stop shop for individuals to access resources and support services tailored to the needs. Enhance awareness and advocacy. By establishing a district-level disability center, we can raise awareness about the rights and needs of people with disabilities in our community. This center can serve as a platform for advocacy and educate the public about the importance of inclusion and accessibility. Provide specialized support services. People with disabilities often unique specialized support services such as assistive devices, rehabilitation, and counseling. A district-level disability center can offer these services and provide individualized support to enhance the quality for individuals with disabilities. Promote social inclusion, sir. People with disabilities often face social isolation and discrimination in our society. By establishing a district-level disability center, we can create a safe and inclusive space for individuals to connect, engage, and participate in community activities. Sir, we propose the establishment of a district-level disability center that will provide comprehensive support services for individuals with disability in our community. The center will offer a range of services including: number one, information and referral services; number two, counseling and rehabilitation services; number three, assistive technology and devices; number four, skill development and training programs; and number five, advocacy and awareness campaigns. Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, with these few words, I urge the government of the day to kindly set up disability centers in each district. As I have mentioned that till today,
Honorable Member, your time allotted
yes, sir.
5
Yes, sir.
minutes. Please wind
Till
up.
today, we have only 4 resource centers that is only in Shillong, Jawai, Nongstoin, and Tura. It's high time, sir, for the state government for immediate steps for setting up of disability center each and every district for a special friends, people with disabilities in our states. With these few words, sir, I once again thank you for allowing me to participate in this budget discussion. And with these few words, I hope that the government will take immediate steps for setting up disability center in each district in our state of Meghalaya. Thank you so much, Mr. Deputy Speaker.
Thank you.